Hello guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with Twist Acrylic Porous Plus. Yay, this is the face behind the videos. Scary, huh? Now you see why, right? Okay, I began my art pour or my paint pours in October of 2020. If that's what you want to call it, they were a disaster. I did not know how to use the Floetrol, so I was using from the bottles, the 2-ounce bottles, and mixing with water and wondering why they turned out like crap. Now I know. So anywho, and I finally moved my studio down to the basement in January, and then I found the Artist Loft Ready Mixed, and that made a big difference. Yes. No more guessing, no more crap. It came out beautiful. I was in awe of everything I did. So, I was using a small table with it. It used to be a cutting board. It goes with the basement in the kitchen area. And I had pulled it over there. And so I was using the top of that with the cloth on top. It was a minute. It was a lot larger, though. That it looked like the Grand Canyon compared to the little sink that I was using in the lavatory, the 1/3 of the sink. So I was pretty much in heaven back then. So, and I have since learned how to mix the Floetrol with the acrylic paints. So it's kind of a little bit cheaper in a way. But yet, when you combine the Floetrol and all the guesswork, the Artist Loft is a very, very good way. The Artist Loft Ready Mix is a very good way to start out as a paint pouring technique because there's no guesswork. You just, and there you have it. So it's just a matter of putting it into the cup or however you want to do it. And then you can graduate to the mixing, the ratios, all that kind of stuff, which I certainly do not have down pat, but I'm getting closer. So, and I try to get on here at least once a week. I was doing paint pours like every other day downstairs. But now that summer's here, there's a lot of moisture downstairs, so paints dry a lot slower. Makes sense, right? So I guess in the summertime, it's kind of like a hurry up and wait, hurry up and wait. But I just wanted you guys to see me, and sorry about that if it scared you. I know it scares me when I look in the mirror. But I hope everybody has a wonderful night. I would love for you to subscribe and like my videos, and let's have a conversation below. Okay, I'm up for it, all right? I'm constantly at the computer. So, we will see you guys later, and thank you for watching. You take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.